Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulling back to 84k. This was the hype going into what Trump was going to talk about yesterday. We went to 86k and then he didn't say anything major and it just came back down. Volume is quite strong still. Not bull market high volume, but still there is volume. Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange operate around the clock on weekends, inspired by cryptocurrency stock market catch-up. Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange are planning round-the-clock trading just like cryptocurrencies. New York Stock Exchange has already received approval. Nasdaq in talks. Wow, cool. They're coming into our world now. 24/7 trading on crypto, on stocks. You can click this and join the chat. 2.8 trillion market cap, 1.9 million viewers. You can set this up on your TV, etc. And it looks like a head and shoulders is forming here on Bitcoin, unfortunately. And also a little head and shoulders. Bitcoin going to drop. Around target would be 83k. We're going to go deeper into chart. 60k bonus with this QR code if you scan on Bybit. That's where I trade. Take the crypto masterclass, stock masterclass before you do anything. 31 fear, funding fee, dominance 56. So the crypto market is 56% Bitcoin now. One of the highest Bitcoin dominances. Funding fee positive 83k. Sitting at 84k and a little bit of volume. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. I'll go straight into the technicals. You can see the market right now, no major moves. World down, all coins down, ton down. A little bit of a down market on all coins, but very small movements. Bitcoin, we're in this descending wedge, and unfortunately we came back in, everyone. You seeing this? 64 I think would be my worst case scenario. No, 52 would be worst case scenario for Bitcoin. You can clearly see the yellow trend line that Bitcoin is climbing. So target would be 74k, 73k, like something like there before. If this descending wedge plays out, we got an early break and it looks like it's going back in, unfortunately. Builds pressure, it looked like it was breaking early, and I said usually it doesn't break early. Usually 70% of the move, which would be here, which would be around April 2nd. So it looks like Bitcoin is coming back in. I've got more orders at 77, 80k, 72k, 69k. I've got all those orders set down on my Bybit. You can currently see I'm in a Bitcoin trade right now, but really it's not looking good. It's pulling back. We'll go closer into the time frame, but you can see I've got orders set down. Where I opened the trade, we went to 87. Trump didn't say anything major. We came crashing back down. Unfortunately, I've got orders at 81, 76, 80, 59, 65, 75, 69, 72. So these orders will build as it comes down. But let's go closer into the technicals. It looks like it's going to come down to around, I think worst case scenario would be here, around 73. My original path that I had drawn looks like it's actually going to play out, unfortunately. Something like this, and then breaking out, retesting, and going up. Let's go closer. So in the 4 hourly, let's clear out these old lines, see if we got something new. Failed breakout. We're back inside the triangle. And there is, it's climbing some kind of trend line here. So we do have a little bit of a pattern. Multiple touches there on the trend line. And there's a resistance line there. You see it? Just looks like a channel, actually. Looks like a little bit of a bear flag, maybe channel. But it does look like this pattern is going to play out of this descending wedge. I think that way. But there is support at 80k. So I've got those buy orders down. And 82k, I've got a buy order. Let's go closer onto the hourly. Hourly. Looks like could still spring out. 15 minute. Little head and shoulder on the 15 minute. So we could get a drop to, say, 83. Maybe that trend line there. I'm not bearish. I'm going to add more to the trade if it pulls back. Let's look on the week. On the weekly, we're oversold on Bitcoin. And we're following this trend line. It's got one more wave left. The 4th to 5th final impulse. Stochastic is oversold. So this is the time, in my opinion, that I'm adding into this trade. I don't think this bull market is over, to be honest. But again, where I would add 77, the safest place to go long would be off this point here. That finalization of that descending wedge and the take profit 102k. This would be the safest. I would open at 73. Stop loss 71, risking 2,400 to make 28,000 per Bitcoin, 10x leverage 280. This one is a riskier one, getting a bounce. It's retesting, but it's already back in. So high chance we come down the rest of the way. But there is still a small chance we get a bounce here and then bounce. If we can bounce with volume, then it will confirm the breakout. But in my opinion, we're coming down to 73. I could close and add at 73. But on the daily, we're heading up. On the 4 hourly, we are oversold. I think I'll add more here. I'm not going to close the trade. I'm going to add more if we pull back. But again, best place 73k, which is still a 9k drop from here. My trade is still in the profits, but it was much more in the profits yesterday. We were like 14k in the profits on this trade. So I've got at 81 half a Bitcoin, 76, 80. I'll leave these trades open, see if it adds more. Let's see how we play out. Also, Ethereum. Let's look at what Ethereum tells us. Let's look at what the total market cap tells us. Total market cap, descending wedge breakout. Hourly. Descending wedge breakout. You can see here, and we broke out. On the hourly charts, what's going to happen? A little bit of a rising, no, just the channel here. It's just the channel. So getting a bounce off 2.67 trillion. Let's go into Ethereum. 1968, but all coins are not moving much. The meme coin pump just wrecked everything. Then the market panicked because the stock market, and now people are a little bit anxious. So easy can pull back to 1750 on Ethereum, but Ethereum already broke out this descending wedge. So technically it's ready. Ethereum is ready to have a bounce back. Target would be 2,800. And I would still take this trade where I said it, I think yesterday or the day before, from 1,800. I'm going to also pick the winner of an iPhone. Actually, now I forgot about this. So I made a competition to win an iPhone. Win a shiny iPhone. It's been 13 to about 8 days since this. I'm going to pick a winner 1 week on YouTube. Don't miss out. This is going viral. There's been 103,000 applications, 112 comments. You can see everyone putting their Bybit user ID and inviting friends. Many people applied. So I'm going to do just I'm going to load them all, and then I'm going to do a random scroll. Okay, you ready? So I loaded a lot of them. Let's load them all. Okay, ready? Random scroll. And the winner is, I am appreciating your efforts towards community with knowledge and sometimes giveaways. I'm here. I create 4 accounts using your code. Tag. That's difficult because now how to find you in the... Okay, but you win. Congratulations. You. Cool. You win an iPhone 16 Pro. Yahoo! My team will contact you within 48 hours. Don't answer with anything except your public USDT address. Everything else would be a scam. If someone's trying to contact you, ask you to send you money, etc. Congratulations, you on winning the iPhone. And there was 112 people messaged. Let's go to the top. Rosie, thanks James for the beautiful opportunity. Inviting people. James, I've been following you since last year, seeing you help the community so much. Keep spreading positive and love. Thank you, Grace. This will really help me in my career as a content creator. I'll be honored to win this. Let's go, James. It's an amazing person. Great heart. Stay with him. Amazing. Thank you, everyone, for all these comments. Thank you for trying to go into it. I'll do more of them. I'm going to give lots of giveaways. Join us in the Telegram. 807 you online. They're talking about the 24/7 trading. You can join the group. It's free. All the links are down below. Congratulations, you on the iPhone. Bybit 60k bonus. Weex $200 bonus. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. There's like 200 of you, 800 of you online in the Telegram, which is beautiful. Follow me on X. There'll be more competitions. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Could have a pullback descending wedge, but in my opinion, I'm building my position here. I think we're close to the bottom, but there's no big bullishness right now. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.